Hi there, welcome again to today's episode of Building Public. I don't know what it is again today, but today we'll be talking about how to craft the perfect title tag for local SEO. As most of us know, in order for you to be able to rank high in SERPs, you want to ensure you have your title of your SEO properly mapped out in order for you to show up for relevant key terms. So let's say you're in San Diego and you're in the gutter installation or gutter repair niche. You want to craft your title in such a format that it is understandable to search engines and it also resonates with the user who is going to click on those links and thus land on your website. So there are some certain things you want to keep in mind while doing this. And that is what we're basically going to be talking about in this video. For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Afanige Goodness, and I'm also kind of new to SEO. And I'm looking to get work started. Here's my LinkedIn profile. You can always reach out to me on my LinkedIn profile. I'll leave the link in the description of this video below. So I'm here to work, we can partner. You pay the upfront cost. I get to work the other side free of charge until you get results, and before we can now discuss. So let's just dive right into the video. So basically, here's how you craft the perfect SEO title tag for a local SEO. Key point 1: the title tag must contain valuable keywords. It must contain valuable keywords. Some of you who are not tech savvy or does not actually know exactly what I'm talking about, keywords. So let's say you're in a gutter installation or in a gutter service niche. So you want to ensure that your title tag contains this service, which is a niche that you are in. So either gutter installation, it could be gutter installation or gutter repair. Let's say you're in one of the cities of Houston, San Diego. You also want to ensure that it is tailored in such a way that when users type in this thing, gutter installation near me, I'm using Houston here because I'm not based in the United States, but I want to understand the keywords, the websites that are ranking in the SERPs when someone in Houston types in gutter installation near me. So this kind of like a near me search for Houston location. I just wanted to get that. So basically, this is the title tag. This one here is a title tag. So what this document here is saying, that you want to ensure that it contains the valuable keywords. So the keywords that are valuable are the ones that you want your website to appear for. These are the services that you render to your clients. So take this one, for example, Houston gutter repair. It's actually telling you exactly what the service is all about, right on the title tag: gutter repair and installation company. So you want to fulfill this search. The same thing with others that are here: gutter cleaning, gutter installations, gutter repair in Houston gutter replacement installation, gutter installation in Houston, seamless gutters. So you want to ensure that the service that you're provided, it's highlighted in the title for everyone to see. So in order for you to understand this, you want to, for those of you who have a GMB, that is Google My Business listing, or a Google My Business profile, you want to look at your primary category. That is what you want to include in your website's title or the page title of that service you want to offer. Then key point 2, it should sound catchy and compelling. So while everyone is trying to compete in the SERPs, trying to model up all sorts of keywords, you want to ensure that yours stand out from the rest. of the websites that are available or that have been rendered for that particular search query. So you want to ensure that it stands out. Over here, you can actually see that, okay, these things actually stand out. Houston Gutter Repair and Installation Company. It relates specifically to someone who is searching for a gutter installation or gutter service in Houston. And it highlights that this is a company. And at the tail end, it names the name of the company at the tail end. There's a reason why they didn't use it at the first. They didn't use the company name starting the title of this web page. They used it at the last because it really does not really it does not really matter if your brand name is showing first, because a lot of persons possibly does not know your brand. Hence, that's why you're searching for gutter installation near me. Because if truly they know your brand, they'll just enter AG Gutters on Google and let's just do a search. If truly they are aware of your brand, they'll just enter AG Gutters and boom, that's where they're going to. But a lot of persons who are searching for gutter installation, Houston gutter installation plus your location are actually looking for, or those persons are like new users who are actually looking for a service, a company or a business owner who is going to help them fix whatever problem it is they have with their gutters or their downspouts. So that's what you want to understand. You want to highlight this keyword in such a format that it is catchy and it relates directly to the user who is searching for that query. So they're saying it should include words that inspire trust, something like professional, same day, expert, trusted, and it should not be more than 70 characters. It should not be more than 70 characters. So you can see none of them is actually including anything that actually shows that, okay, they are trustworthy, that inspires trust. So it is something you want to add to your own, so that when users visit your website, they actually understands that, okay, this is exactly the kind of service you do, and you're an expert, you're a professional in that field, you're an authority in that particular business area. So key point story, you want to mention your location that you work in, the location that you are servicing your customers. So if you're in Houston, for example, and you also service clients in Dallas, you want to name your title of your page accordingly. So that title of that page is dedicated to users who are searching from Dallas. So you can have Dallas Gutter Repair and Installation Company or expert. So you can basically rephrase this document as experts gutter installation and repair company. Okay. Experts gutter installation and repair. Expert gutter installation and repair services in Houston. So this basically tells you exactly what you have to do. I'm kind of guessing that this thing is a bit lengthier than 70 characters. If I'm correct, let's just do a quick search. So I'm thinking it's lengthier than 70. Okay. So you can see it's 56 characters, so it's actually under 70 characters. So it's allowed within our space, so we can actually get an understanding of what I'm saying here. So you want to include the location or the surrounding neighborhood that it is you're servicing for that particular key phrase. Then it doesn't contain brand name, just like I said before, except you're a recognizable brand, a brand that actually stands out, that everyone knows. For example, like Brothers Gutters. So if you're trying to install gutters, or do a gutter repair. A lot of persons know gutter, know the company brand called the Brothers Gutters. So a lot of persons will just search up Brothers Gutters Houston, and they'll get the phone number to call in to ask for a quote on the gutter for their homes or for their businesses. So it is something you want to put in mind. So just like this instance that we use, the person is actually putting a brand name at the end. So even if it folds out, even if it's not being shown, something like this now, it's all blown out. So if you check if you check the title here, let's see, if you check the title here, you will see, I think it's not opening, let me just see. If you check the title of that page, same thing with this one. I'm not sure I can open that one. So if you check the title of this page, you will see that it's completely blown out. So, but they're also replacing this part of with the brand name ZZ Gutter Company. As you can see now, here it's actually okay replicated, but they are doing it twice. So, so, it's something you should be aware of. So once you're naming it, you want to ensure that this particular one, it's at the tail end, so you can clearly show the gutter installation, because Google has a way of messing up with things. You understand what I mean? So just to recap, it should be specific, start with your primary city and state in the visible part of title tag to be under 60 to 70 characters. Then you want to ensure that it does not contain brand name or regularized name. So except you are a brand that is well recognized, then by all means include it. So if you're able to stick to all four of these, you should be able to craft a perfect title tag for your local SEO. So if you're looking to partner with me for local SEO to help you improve your site's ranking, please hit me up here on LinkedIn or drop a comment in the YouTube description below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. For now, peace out.